Here are the ingredients we'll be using to prepare the pepper soup. Over here is dry scent leaf. You can use fresh one, or if you can't find it, you can make use of coriander. Here is fresh habanero pepper, and over here is dry soka, dry pepper, very hot pepper. So I'll be combining the two. Because I'm cooking chicken pepper soup, I'll be making use of chicken seasoning, beni, and 1 knorr cube. But you can use any bouillon of your choice. Here is oda spice, and this is what it looks like. I've already blended the one you see inside the cup. If you don't want to blend it, you can throw it in like this inside your pepper soup. And here is uziza already blended, ube seed. This is the blended one. My mom did all the blending when she came for ọmụgwọ. Here is salt. Here is ehuru, African nutmeg. This gives your pepper soup a unique taste. So these are the things I will be making use of. So let's get right into the cooking. I will be making use of hard chicken and shake, that is tripe, for my pepper soup. Like I said earlier, you can use any meat of your choice. You can use fish as well. And I've already washed this thoroughly before putting it inside the pot. So we just go on and start putting the ingredients. This will be a quick recipe, so it doesn't take much of your time. For the onion, I'll be throwing it in like that so that I can take it out when the meat is fully cooked. And I'll be adding the seasoning cube. I'll follow it up with the uziza. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oda as well. I will still be throwing this one in, but it's not a must. Then I added my knorr cube, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of ehuru, African nutmeg. I will add some dry pepper, and I will add salt to taste. I will cover the pot and start cooking for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will take out the onion. Then I will pound the habanero pepper and put inside the pot. Please give this video a thumbs up, okay? And I will be adding the scent leaf. I give it a stir, then test for salt, and if everything is okay, cover the pot and cook for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, stir and dish it out. This is the pepper soup, guys. What do you think? And this was how I dished it. Just be taking it 1 plate every day, and I'll be taking 2 plates to the hospital. And here comes the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.